Hello. We discuss some confusing word today.
Okay, ma'am.
How is canvas different from canvas?
I don't know the difference, but I do have a pair of canvas shoes.
Canvas means rough cloth. Your canvas shoe must be made up of rough cloth, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Canvas means to solicit votes or opinion. Now tell me, what do you mean by alter and alter?
Alter means to change and altar means place of offering.
That's absolutely correct. Now tell me, the how is antique different from antique?
Oh, the meaning of antique but not antique. Antique means ancient.
Yes, correct. Antique means ancient and antique means odd or strange. It's time to do quick revision of what we have learned today.
Sure, ma'am, let me repeat. Means rough cloth. Canvas means to solicit vote or opinion. Alter means change and altar means place of offering. Antique means odd or strange and antique means ancient.
Do like and subscribe our channel for more such videos and hit that bell icon for notification.